It's easiest to sow borage seeds directly into the garden in a full sun location. But if your growing season is not long enough, borage seeds cannot be sowed outside and should only be started indoors. Because of this, in this video I am going to show you how to start borage seeds indoors, and with simple steps you will have your seedlings ready to fill your garden with beautiful and attractive flowers to enjoy harvesting and using in many ways. So keep watching and learn how to start this must-have aromatic herb in any organic garden. Start seeds indoors 3 to 4 weeks before the last frost. Fill 2-inch plastic planter post with drainage holes with a good quality seed starting soil that has been mixed with enough water to get it damp. Place 2 to 3 seeds on the surface of the seed starting mix, and gently press the seeds down so they are nestled in nicely. Or you can use the eraser end of a pencil to do so. Cover them with a layer of seed starting mix. Water the soil carefully, and try not to disturb the seeds. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Place the plastic pots under grow lights or by a sunny window. You should start seeing seedlings stick their heads out of the ground in about 10 days. First, you will see a pair of shiny, wavy cotyledons appear. Later, you will see the true leaves emerge. These are hairy and have a matte, rough texture. If your seedlings are looking leggy, use a grow light. A grow light is so great for seedlings and easy to position pretty much anywhere. Borage seeds have a high germination rate, so you will likely need to thin them out. If you have more than 2 seedlings into the containers, thin them out to 1 plant per pot when they have at least 1 set of true leaves. Transplant seedlings into the garden once the soil has warmed, making sure to harden them off first. Starting borage indoors will give your plants a head start and means they will bloom more quickly when the season starts. Now that you know to start borage indoors, you can give it a try and add this powerful herb to your garden to enjoy all its benefits. If you like my video, subscribe, comment, like and share. Happy organic gardening!